Hello friends, welcome back. Today we'll see how to create user-defined packages. User-defined packages are those which are developed by the users in order to group related classes, interfaces and sub-packages. So we'll see that in this program. Write a Java program to create a package named P1 and implement this package in EX1 class. So to create the package, it is very simple. You just need to use the package keyword. So I just use the package keyword followed by the name of the package. Packages can be viewed as folders inside our directories. Okay. So package P1 and this should be the first statement. Okay. So package P1 should be the first statement and P1 is the name of the folder or name of the package in which all these classes that we declare in this particular program will be saved. Why did we name the class as public is because we want this class to be accessed from the outside code. That's why we are naming it as a public. We are making it as public. And balance is also the constructor which is also made public because you wants to instantiate the class from anywhere outside, from outside. Okay, and inside balance we are initializing the variables name and balance, and there is one method which is public method and we want to call this method from outside the code and outside the package. So that's why we made this balance also public. And inside the balance we have given certain println statements like customer name and balance, and some if and else statements like balance is greater than 0, then you will ask them to withdraw, else you will say that there are no funds. Okay, so if the balance is 0, they cannot withdraw. Okay, so this is a very simple program friends. Now I have saved this program as balance.java and I will compile this program and show it for you. Okay, so javac balance.java. Okay friends, so it is successfully compiled. So balance.class is created. Now what I'll do is I'll create a folder. Okay, so I'll create a folder and name it by the name of the package. What is the name of the package? The name of the package is P1. So I am creating a folder which is P1, and inside P1 I will be putting these two files, which is .java file and the balance.class file. Okay, so both I'll be putting inside this P1 folder. Okay, so now both the files are in this P1 folder. So see friends, both the files are in this particular P1 folder. Okay, now I'll again write another program wherein I'll be importing this particular class which is balance class in ex1 file. So here see friends, the first statement is import p1.star. This is very much similar to the built-in APIs that we are using. For example, to use scanner class inside the program, what we have done, we have imported the package util package inside the program, and that is the first line inside the program. So we said import java.util.star. Star will import all the classes inside the package, and if you want one specific class to be included, then you will be mentioning the class name. So I have just used the similar kind of statement over here, but this is importing the user defined classes from the packages. So I said import P1 because the balance class is in P1 package. So I said import P1.star. Instead of saying star, I can also say import P1.balance also. Okay, right friends. And then I said class EX1. Inside class EX1, so I have created 5 instances of the balance class, and inside the 5 instances of the balance class, I am passing values for the name and balance. For the first instance, I have passed Sudha with balance 0, and the second instance I have passed Seenu with balance 7000, and for the third instance I have passed Shika and 500, and for the fourth instance I have passed Ben and 8320, and for the fifth instance I have passed Ram and 0. and iteratively I am calling balance function, balance method of the balance class friend, which is there in P1 package. Okay, so which is there in the P1 package. Okay, what is the name of the file? So which is ex1.java. So I have saved this, friends. On the desktop, I am creating another folder. On the desktop, I am creating another folder which is pack. So I have created a new folder which is pack. Inside, rather than creating it like this, you can also use commands and create the folders. Okay, so inside this pack, I am putting in this ex1. So I have put this ex1.java inside this pack, and I also am putting P1 folder inside this pack folder. Now what is there inside this pack folder? So friends, so inside this pack folder, you can see that there is P1 folder and also ex1 folder. Okay. Now I'm going to the command prompt, going to the pack folder. To do that, I'm changing the directory cd pack. Okay, once I do that, I have gone to the package. Okay, so pack directory. Now I am compiling the program which is ex1. So java c ex1.java. Friends, there are no errors and warnings, so I can execute the program. Since this ex1 will be taking the package program balance class which is there in the P1 folder. So both the things should be in the same folder, friends. So I said java ex1. So I am compiling the program. So you can see very clearly, friends, that it is using the bal function, bal method of the balance class. Okay, so ex1 program is using another class from another package. Okay, so it is saying customer name is Sudha and balance is 0. So that's the reason, sorry, you cannot withdraw, insufficient funds. And for Sinu, it is telling because there is 7,000 balance, it's telling you can withdraw. And for Shika also, it's telling you can withdraw. And for Ben also, it's just saying withdraw. For Ram, it's saying no, you cannot withdraw. Sorry, Ram, insufficient balance. Okay, so this is how the output is produced, and this is how you can create your own package and import this package in another class. Well, friends, I want all of you to pause the video and take the quiz. Thank you for watching.